Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will be making mince pies. Please follow my social media's link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now on with the video. Ingredients: 375 grams plain flour, 260 grams unsalted butter, softened, 125 grams caster sugar, plus extra for sprinkling, 2 large eggs. First add your flour and sugar into a large bowl. Then whisk it. The next step is to add your butter into the bowl and pinch it like this. Do this until it looks like small crumbs like this. The next step is to add your egg and mix it in with a spoon. After a good mix, get your hands in and then squish it together like this. You want it to be one big dough. Get some cling film and wrap your dough in it. Then refrigerate it for 1 hour at minimum. Cut your dough in half, 1/2 for the lids and 1/2 for the bowl of the mince pie. Put some flour on a board and then put your dough on it. Roll it out till it's really thin. Like this. Get a circle cutter, one bigger than the other, and cut out from the dough. After one big one, put it in a cupcake tin, then cut out a smaller one. This part is optional. Cut out a star shape with any leftover duff. Get your mincemeat and try and divide it equally into each bowl. Get some water and a brush, and lightly spread some water on a lid. Put the lid on top of the bowl and lightly press. If you made stars, do the same. Get the brush and lightly brush some egg across the surface. Then get a pinch of sugar and sprinkle it on top. All we have to do is put them in the oven. Here is the final result.